Market metrics that I've studied for probably 20 years now is the NYSE TICK. The symbol in a lot of platforms, TradeStation, is $TICK. It's approximately 3,700 stocks on the NYSE. And so what the NYSE TICK does is it tracks instantaneously in real time the number of stocks on the NYSE that are in an uptick minus those that are in a downtick. So you never see plus 37 or minus 3,700, but you typically see thresholds plus or minus 1,000, sometimes plus 1,500, minus 1,500 on very volatile days. Some days we don't even get to plus or minus 1,000. And so typically you can expect to see, here's the 0 line, here's the plus 1,000 line, and here is the minus 1,000 line with red. And so typically you see this indicator going between these two numbers. And in trendy days, you can use this number for a trend indicator, or very counter trend type days, this might be a counter trend indicator. So for example, if the market is very trendy and the NYSE tick is ticking upwards, you could see an uptrend in the market. The stock index futures could track this, and you can see a strong uptrend in the market. It breaks 1,000 and it stays and it continues and continues. When it pulls back, you could buy the pullbacks in the NYSE tick if you have a trendy market. Same thing on the short side. So if you have the NYSE tick ticking down minus 1,000, you see lots of selling in the NYSE tick. It could be short term, it could be a counter trend move. This could be a good place to buy it in a counter trend market or a strong bull market where you get a news flash and then a bounce higher. So you could trade this counter trend, or you could short it. So there are different ways to do this. You have to measure and look at other things in the market, the stock index future specifically. But this is one way to take a look at the tick, to study the tick, to know that it's even there is a great market metrics, the tool we like to use, a lot of our trading systems. And so you can see this pattern where ticks go up and down. Ticks could go sideways throughout the day. They could trend up, they could trend down, and they could trend up and then down. And so there's lots of different things you can study when you study the NYSE tick. It's important to know that it exists, and you might want to employ it in your algorithmic trading.